After a 2-year wait, Louisiana State Police finally released body cam video from the arrest of Ronald Greene. That's our top story this hour. I'm Rudabeh Shabazi. The unarmed black man was involved in a high-speed chase with troopers in 2019, reaching 115 miles per hour.
And I am Aaron Nolan. The family was told he was in a crash, but newly released video shows he was also beaten by troopers. News Nation's Felicia Bolton is in our newsroom with the latest on the case. Felicia.
Louisiana State Police released body cam videos from that 2019 arrest of Ronald Greene after one video was leaked earlier this week. The video shows troopers beat and shackle Greene before he died that day. I have to warn you all at home, the video is graphic and it may be hard to watch. In this body cam video, you can hear Louisiana State troopers talking about the arrest of 49-year-old Ronald Greene.
I beat the ever living out of him, choked him and everything else trying to get him under control.
For 2 years, Louisiana state officials refused calls to release the footage and details about what happened to Greene. Troopers initially told his family that he died after crashing into a tree outside of Monroe, Louisiana, during a high-speed chase for more than 20 miles. Later, state police released a brief statement saying that Greene died on his way to the hospital after a struggle with law enforcement. But the investigation to his cause of death is still ongoing. An attorney for the family, Ron Haley, has filed a civil rights lawsuit on their behalf.
Well, number one, we want the truth. And it looked like for a very long time that there was going to be no recourse in the criminal court system based on how the investigation was handled. The fact that they lied and said he died in a car accident. The lawsuit was very much about the family getting answers and some sort of understanding as to what happened and why it happened to Ronnie.
LSP's new superintendent, Colonel Lamar Davis, now says the focus needs to be on healing.
This is something that we're obviously all impacted by and all affected by. I'm affected by it. And you know, I think it's time for us to really take a look at what happened, for everyone to have as much factual information as possible. And from there, hopefully as a community, we can start the healing process and move forward from there.
Officials released footage from Greene's arrest this week. In the video, Greene cries out while lying on his stomach in a prone position, with his hands cuffed behind his back and his legs restrained. Arkansas State Crime Lab pathologists involved in the case say police failed to provide standard documents relating to the incident, including police reports, collision details, and emergency medical records. The 2019 autopsy listed Greene's cause of death as cocaine-induced agitated delirium, complicated by a car crash, a physical struggle, a head injury, and restraint. Medical examiners could not determine with certainty whether Greene's injuries were from the crash or his struggles with law enforcement. In a press conference, Colonel Davis wouldn't comment on the conduct of the troopers involved, but stressed transparency moving forward.
We gain the public's trust by being transparent, being consistent, and making sure that we're doing everything possible the right way to conduct investigations and do our duties.
It's also important to note that Davis was not in charge of the Louisiana State Police at the time of Greene's death, and he says some of the officers involved have retired since this incident. Right now, we know 3 officers faced disciplinary action for what happened. A 4th officer died. So far, no one faces criminal charges in Greene's death.